In this video, I will demonstrate how to make $200 a day with a free bot, which is one of the simplest methods to make money online in 2021. How do you do it? We will find out soon enough. This is how we can generate money online using a free bot. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Simply type a simple term into this box. Click generate and you will start earning money again and again. The best thing is that this method is effective all over the world because anyone may use this bot. It sends money to your bank, PayPal, or Bitcoin, all of which are accepted internationally. Now, before I tell you how to do it, let me explain how you can accomplish it. What is your favorite payment method? Let me know in the comments. As a result, I will be able to ensure that every video I create is for you. So let us know what payment option you prefer in the comment section below. Also, don't forget that at the end of this video, I have a special extra for you. So be sure to stay around and watch all the way to the finish. Let's return to the video now. So, here is the place where we will be earning money online. Xyro.com is the name of the website. Xyro is a bot that will take care of everything for us. Xyro now boasts a variety of features, including an AI slogan generator, an AI writer, an AI heat map, an AI background remover, an AI image upscaler, an AI business name generator, and an AI blog title generator, among others. Take a look at this. It is the finest feature of Xyro. They charge $3, $4, $10, and $15 every month. But you are not required to pay anything. It is because this bot is completely free to use. If you go to Trustpilot.com and search for Xyro.com, you will discover that it has a 4.6 star rating with an 84% grade rating, simply to show you that this is a reliable website. So if you scroll down, you won't find anything with a rating lower than 5 stars. So they basically illustrate that this is a reliable website and a useful tool that people are utilizing. Now that you've identified the bot we will be utilizing, Xyro, as well as its functionalities, and confirmed that it is a safe website, you should never hover your cursor over all products and click on the AI slogan generator. After that, you will be sent to this page. Make heads turn with a memorable slogan created by the AI-powered generator, sometimes known as a bot, in only 4 simple steps as seen below. You begin by entering a keyword. It will then produce slogans and you will just select one from the list. As a result, you will stand out. All of these bots are now used as commercial tools. Slogans, names, logos, and domains are required for all businesses as are titles and content for their websites, emails, and advertisements. All of these bots are fundamentally necessary for someone who wants to build a business. The nice part is that they are all suitable for beginners. Take a look at how simple this bot is to use. All you have to do is insert a basic term. Click generate your slogan and it will generate hundreds of distinct slogans for you in a matter of seconds, which you can then use to make money. As you can see, some excellent slogans stand out. Now I'd want you to look at this. People are paying freelancers anything from $35 and $100 to design distinctive names and slogans for their businesses on this website. Those folks are paying so much because they can conceive of so many slogans at the same time. They are also unaware that there are internet bots such as Xyro.com that can handle all of the jobs for them. So, savvy freelancers are selling these phrases online using bots like Xyro, and people are actually purchasing them. Take a look at this. For $55, this freelancer can develop a slogan for your company, and according to her reviews, she has received 582 orders so far. You must first place an order before leaving a review. So at the very least, 582 orders have been placed on this gig. So I'll get out the calculator and multiply 582 582 orders by $55. That works out to $32,010 so far. So this guy has made $32,010 by just selling phrases generated by a machine. It is a no-brainer, to be honest. You can do it too if they can. I recently showed you the ideal bot for coming up with these slogans, and this isn't the only one. This one is charging $40 and has received at least 8,728 orders with the possibility of more. So by multiplying 8,728 by 40, this individual has earned at least $349,120 by writing taglines for various firms. If you continue scrolling down, you will see that this freelancer charges $35 to produce a great slogan or tagline, and he has gotten 2,386 reviews so far, implying that he has had at least 2,386 orders. As a result, 2,386 orders were multiplied by $35 once again. This individual has made a 5-figure sum just by selling slogans that can be generated by a machine. By just utilizing this bot, creating phrases and selling them online, you may earn $83,510. $35 may not seem like much, but it may quickly build up to a significant sum of money, such as the one I just showed you. You will make $70,000 if you can convince 2,000 customers to place an order for $35 a piece. If you can get 300,000 customers to place orders for $1 a piece, you will have made $300,000 in no time. Working smart with tools like this bot and driving volume to any product or service you choose is the key to making money online. The best thing is that I'm going to teach you a second method that you can use to double your revenue. But before the video continues, if you guys love this video, which I spent a lot of time and effort into making, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. So let's return to the video now. Sloganslingers.com is another program or bot that will automatically produce new slogans for you. Select I need a slogan from my company, service, product, event, or something else to get started with Slogan Slingers. Then just enter your email address, password, company name, a brief description of the firm, who is the target audience, and a list of essential facts such as the target audience age, income, and education level, lifestyle, attitude, and habits, and so on. After that, simply respond to this question. What is the single most important message you want to convey in your slogan? When you offer your service on this website, peopleperhour.com, you can now ask your clients to answer those questions so that you may come up with a perfect tagline for them. Then just copy and paste their responses into this box and click continue. The software will then develop the ideal tagline for their company. Another fantastic feature of this bot is that it will send you to this page where you can get paid to write slogans if you click on Write Slogans right up here. So you can have Zyro compose slogans for you and use them to enter Sloganslingers.com contest. Show off your talents against other excellent authors from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and other parts of the world, as you can see below. Not only will you be seen and your work will be seen throughout the world, but all entries will be kept secret until the contest is over, ensuring that no one will be able to copy your work. This website safeguards all of your work and ensures that no one else can duplicate it. The best thing is that you might win up to $999 for your inventiveness. So in addition to the bot Zyro, this is the second platform you may utilize to gain money through contests. So in addition to making a steady income as a freelancer through peopleperhour.com, you may also win up to $999 as a contender composing slogans for Sloganslingers.com. And I am not even close to being done. You may also go to squadhelp.com for a third revenue stream from the slogan generating bots, which will feature a ton of contests that will pay you far higher than Sloganslingers.com. To get started with squadhelp.com, go to the bottom of this page and click on Become a Creative under the Resources section. Then simply scroll down to discover how it all works. So first, submit your ideas for naming, slogan, or logo contest, then have contest holders rate and comment on your ideas, then get monetary incentives if your concept is chosen by the firm. And last, gain badges and points and bragging rights if your ideas are loved. So all you have to do now is click join now. As a result, you may enter various contests and get rewarded by firms who choose and use your phrases. As a result, phrases created by the bot Zyro may be used to enter contests at squadhelp.com and sloganslingers.com, giving you twice the chance to win money. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.